everyone, it's me Eilish and I am back to tell you all about the great things that I got for free on the last 2 weeks of August. I actually got so much food stuff for free in the last couple of weeks. So I'm just gonna start with my first two and the rest is pretty much food orientated. First things first, I know loads of you guys got this. It is the Mercier translucent setting powder, little sample, and you get two. You get their setting powder and you get their glow as well. I've been wanting to try this one for ages. This was from a Facebook soul post ad. I was lucky enough to get the mascara earlier on in the month, and I know some of you guys got the lipsticks. I missed out on that. With Facebook ads, the best way to do is to like the page and engage in their posts, and then when you're scrolling through Facebook or sometimes Instagram, a sponsored post will pop up and there you go. So that is the little top tip. Now I've shown you I can actually use this. Yay! The next freebie, which I know so many of you guys took part in, is the KukuBird free leggings. Can we just talk about this packaging? It's absolutely amazing. I love it. So KukuBird are a company and they had a free legging giveaway. You just needed to pay postage and packaging. You had to like their Facebook group, DM one of their admins, and then you would be sent a free pair. I don't know if this offer is still available. It possibly is, but from the looks of it, they have loads and loads of offers on regularly. So it's a really good way to check out a free pair of leggings. The only catch was you didn't get to pick what your leggings looked like. And I don't know whether I want to pick this pair. They look like this. They've got lipsticks on them and an odd placed yellow area. And I'm not going to put an insert of me wearing these because it's not really flattering. But I will say these are some of the comfiest leggings I think I've ever worn. And most of the time I work from home and you can only see from here up anyway. So I might have these on and you'll just never know. But yeah, if you're after a free pair of leggings, then, oh, I'll show you the back. There we go. Definitely check them out. And if you got a free pair of leggings, please post pictures of what you got because I'm so excited by these designs. Right, stop. We're into food. I got so many free stuff. So I actually signed up for a Hellofresh Box, and in the Hellofresh Box I got given a free sample of the Taylor coffee bags. I've been wanting to try these for ages, and inside you get 2 little coffee bags. I think you get a decaf. Oh no, you don't. You just get 2 different flavours. Hot lava java. Oh, that one sounds exciting. And you get a coupon. It's always worth noting that when you get freebies, you quite often get a coupon to spend. So it's amazing. Another coffee one, you guys saw this. It was the Send Me a Sample Cartie Noire. Now I feel like I've been waiting ages for this. So on Amazon Alexa or your Google Assistant, you can get the apps as well. So you don't actually need the device. You can ask, send me a sample of coffee, and it'll send you a sample. You have to be quick with the send me a samples though. So keep an eye out on the latest free stuff Facebook group because that's where we post them first. So I've got 2 little sachets here, really excited. And what was I just talking to you about? A coupon! A couple of months back, it might be last month, I can't really remember, Kind bars, the Kind snack bars, had a free promotion where a lot of people were to get their new flavour, and if you weren't lucky enough to get their new flavour, you were sent another flavour, which was a really nice gesture. So I got the blueberry, vanilla and cashew bar sent to me. I really like these. I've never tried this flavour, and that's a full-size bar, so it's a really, really good freebie. And this just got sent to me, and now I can eat it. Nom, 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 nom. Another snack bar. I actually don't remember applying for this, so if anyone has got this and can remember what it was, please let me know. I have a feeling it was a Facebook sponsored ad, which is what I spoke to you about with the Mercier ones. This is the Prodigy Eat No Evil Orange and Chocolate with Baobab vegan bar. It's plastic free. It looks like a new product and you get a full size bar. It looks really yummy. I also got a product test during the month of August, which I am not allowed to show online as it's with a product that hasn't been announced yet. But it was from the company Test Pilot. Now this is a really, really great company. I've signed up a long time ago. I've had 2 product tests from them. With the product tests, for me on this one, I needed to use the product and then send in a quick little video about me using the product and what my likes and dislikes were, as well as a quick little survey. It took me no longer than 10 minutes and I get to keep the product. And I also get given points. So every product test you do, you get given points, and those points you can win prizes. Yeah, you can transfer the points to actually buy products from their website as well. Next up, I'm going to be talking about Shopimum. I've spoken about Shopimum in the past. It's brilliant. I am a gold member. It is essentially a supermarket shopping app where you'll scan the product and your receipt and you'll get cash back from it, and quite a lot of the times a lot of the stuff is for free. So I've got a few things from there. I got a yogurt, a lovely vegan yogurt. It was really nice. That was all for free. And I got a San Pellegrino sparkling water thing, which I would definitely buy again because that was a yummy scrummy, and I think that one is still available. That was from the Co-op. I also got some Paneer Cheese. I haven't actually cooked with this yet, but it's still in date, so it's totally fine. And this was completely free, and I've never cooked with paneer before, so really excited. And although this item wasn't technically fully free, I did get a huge percentage off this. I think I got about £2 off the Nescafe Azera, and I chose the Americano one. And these are normally like £4, £5 in some places, so that was a really, really good saving. Shopimum is free to download, and you can also make money on it from doing referrals and that type of thing. Speaking of testing products, I was actually lucky enough to be accepted to try out the new TryIt box, which I will show you. Oh my goodness. Right here, look at all of this now with TryIt. I have been a member for about a year and a half, and this is my first TryIt box. Now I know some people have been really, really lucky and they've got like 4, but this is my first. Oops. This is my first one. So the thing with TryIt is it's a community where they send out boxes to members willy-nilly. It's all random, and unfortunately you just have to sign up and just wait. As I said, I've been a member for about a year, and this is my very, very first box, but some people have been really, really lucky and they've had loads and loads of boxes in the past. So let's delve into what I got. Here we are. I got some gorgeous Wizards Immunity caramel chocolate, so I'm presuming this is chocolate. That's good for you. That's pretty exciting. 10 out of 10 in my books. We also got a Starbucks double shot Intenso. Now I like this because it's like metal. I hope there's no dentists watching because I'm gonna get comments saying, don't do that with your teeth. Can you tell I've had quite a bit of coffee today? I'm very excited. Next thing we have, I love these. These are the Nudie snacks, premium toasted coconut chips and salted cacao. I love anything coconut, and these are just, oh, heaven on earth. These are all full-size products as well. That's something to note with TryIt. You only get full-size products. We also get some pure sweet, oh, this is weighty. Sweetener is heavy. Some pure sweet zero sweetener. I don't really use a lot of sweetener, but I'm sure I'll find a use for this. Next we have this. We have some chicken cat food. That is cat food that is chicken flavored, not food that's made out of chicken and cats. Full-size box. Next we have, I'm gonna make a disclaimer here. I'm gonna come close in. Disclaimer, disclaimer, disclaimer. If you are not of a legal drinking age, please do not watch this next clip. And please, if you are of legal drinking age, drink responsibly. I can't take myself seriously. This is the natural alcoholic sparkling water in peach and raspberry. Oh, this is a bit of me, this. I love some sparkling water, and this is alcoholic. So I can drink my sparkling water and get lit whilst doing it. I then have this. This bottle is massive. This is the Champions Strawberry Cider. It's only 50 calories, but here we are. So I've got all of that for free. So August was filled with some food freebies. So what to take away from my August freebies? Now I know that some of these I didn't apply for in August, but I got them in August. That's the way the freebie game works. Sometimes you wait months for a sample, and other samples you just never receive. So number 1, sign up to TryIt. It can be a little bit of a wait, but when you get a box, it's really, really fun. And it's really nice to see what other people have received as well, because I think each box is kind of slightly different. Number 2, sign up to KukuBird, see if you can still get those leggings. See if you get some lipstick leggings like me. Or if you've got leggings, please, please post them below, because I have to see what more designs there are. Number 3, be patient when it comes to Facebook ads. Just engage in that Facebook post where you know that there's an ad available, like some stuff, even go on the website if they've got it, and then keep scrolling and fingers crossed for you it'll come up. And number 4, make sure you sign up to Shopimum. That app has just gone freebie mad at the minute, and there's so many good free food stuff from all the supermarkets on, and cash back on some more expensive items. I hope you're all having a wonderful, wonderful day, and show me your August hauls down below. As per usual, make sure you like and comment on this video. It sends me lots of love and I love it. Like latest free stuff, like our page, follow our Facebook group, do all of that bits and bobs, follow all our socials. My name's Ailish, you can follow me if you want on the Ailish01 on everything. Most importantly, happy freebie hunting. Bye.